This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the CLA did it quite well. It's supposed to do it in 4.9 seconds. It did it in 4.6 seconds. And it's actually matching or beating some other cars in the same range that has way more horsepower. Okay, well, this is quite heavy IX, but still, if you look down the list, they're slower than the CLA here. Model S P85 weighs roughly the same, has supposedly 470 horsepower. That's more peak. So I believe that the reason why the CLA is so fast is because it has a nice and flat curve. And actually, this is just according to spec. I don't know what the actual horsepower number is, but I mean, 4.6 seconds is fast enough. When it comes to noise, though, it's not that great. 67 decibel average. It's kind of in the second half here. Actually, how many cars do we have on this total list? Wow, okay, for the summer result, around 120 cars, and then it gets right in the middle there, and then the highest cars, they get only 63 decibel, and then also some of the more expensive Mercedes, they have 64 decibel, 65 decibel roughly average. So, well, but this is just how it is, you know. If you go for the poor man's Mercedes, the CLA, then you don't get all the nice features and the nice soundproofing I get in more expensive Mercedes. Okay, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.